Hello, and thank you for joining me today in The Sounds of Nature. Now listen as your nerd butt goes outside for the first time to go on a journey not to see, touch, or sniff nature, but listen to the sounds of nature. Listen to the first leaf of autumn falling from the tree. Listen to the birds singing in the morning rise.
Wanna bang?
Oh, I'm a guy.
Now quiet and listen carefully to the bear cub asking his mama for food.
Mom, give me my kitten buffs and my sweat rag!
Listen to the man living among the island of nature. Listen to the bronze League of Legends player attempt to screw in a light bulb. Listen to the penguins living peacefully in the Arctic. Listen to the seals flopping around on land. I thank you today for joining me on The Sounds of Nature.